Tracking which pages clients spend time on is one of the best ways to understand user behavior and optimize your website for conversions. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. You'll be able to see which pages your clients are engaging with the most, how long they're staying there, and use that data to improve your website. First things first, we're going to use a software that allows you to track client behavior and page engagement without being a data expert. It's a simple tool that anyone can use, whether you're new to analytics or a seasoned pro. Once you've logged into your software, the first step is to set up tracking on your website. You'll need to integrate the software with your site, which usually involves adding a small snippet of code to your pages. If you're using WordPress or a similar platform, it's usually as easy as pasting the code into a plugin. But don't worry if you're using a custom-built site, most tools offer straightforward instructions for that as well. Next, you'll want to track client sessions across your pages. The software we're using tracks every page load, so you can get an accurate picture of which pages your visitors are landing on. But you don't just want to know which pages they visit, you want to know how long they're staying on each page. The software provides this information with just a couple of clicks. It'll show you the average time spent per page, so you can easily see where your clients are engaging most. If you want more detailed data, you can also track user interactions, like clicks, scroll depth, and form submissions. These actions give you an even deeper insight into how your clients are engaging with your content, helping you prioritize the areas that matter most. One useful feature to highlight is the heat map. With heat maps, you can visualize the areas on your page where visitors are clicking the most or spending the most time. This is invaluable for understanding client behavior in a visual way, and it allows you to optimize your pages by placing your important content in the most engaged areas. Now, if you're wondering how to see this data in real time, the software we're using lets you track client activity as it happens. You can view reports at any time and even set up alerts for when certain pages or behaviors trigger a specific action. This is ideal for keeping a close eye on important trends or changes in client behavior without having to constantly monitor your site manually. Before I wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so make sure you grab it and follow along. To quickly review, here's the key takeaway from today's video. To track which pages clients spend time on, use a software tool that integrates with your site to track page views, session times, and interactions. Look at the time spent on each page and use heat maps to visually see where engagement is happening. This will help you focus your efforts on the pages and content that matter most. And again, I recommend you take advantage of the free trial below to start tracking your client behavior and optimizing your site today. Thanks for watching.